This built-in double oven from AEG is a fantastic choice if you want a stylish model with innovative technology for superior cooking. With a large 68-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a fast grilling and defrost setting. AEG's surround cook system creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity circulates hot air, which is released through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make starters, mains, and desserts at the same time. This model has a special coating on the inside to make cleaning effortless. The oven cavity is covered in grease-proof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. So your oven is really easy to maintain, and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for a stylish model with innovative technology for superior cooking, this built-in double oven from AEG is perfect.